We're going to complete our study of probability, or at least complete the first 3 goals, by learning how to find the probability that an event will not occur. So up to this point, we've only been looking at the probability that an event will occur. So how do we know if one will not occur? All right, so first of all, let's review. What is the probability that an event will certainly occur? We know that probability is 1. If an event is certain to occur, its probability is 1. The probability of an event occurring plus the probability of an event not occurring is 1. So if you know the probability of an event, if you know the probability that an event will occur, then you can say the probability of an event not occurring is 1 minus the probability that an event will occur. For example, we know that the probability of, if we flip a coin, the probability of flipping a heads is 0.5. So the probability of flipping a tail is also 0.5. What's the probability of not flipping a head? 1 minus 0.5, or 0.5. So let's look at number 4. Find the probability of not drawing a face card in a regular 52 card deck. So the probability of not drawing a face card, this is the symbol for not. So the probability of not drawing a face card, so not drawing a face card, is 1 minus the probability of drawing a face card. We know that the probability of drawing a face card is 12. There are 12 face cards out of 52 cards. So 1 minus 12 over 52 is 40 over 52, which gives us a probability of 0.769. In our last example for goal 3, we have a bar graph, so let's read about it. The bar graph shows the distribution by branch and gender of the 1.43 million, or 1,430,000 active duty personnel in the U.S. military in 2003. Numbers are given in thousands and round to the nearest 10,000. If a person is randomly selected from the U.S. military and the distribution is the same as it was in 2003, find the probability that this person is not a woman Marine. So we're looking for the probability that the person is not a female Marine. So I notice in this table that purple is men, pink is women, and if I go to each one, I see that there are 300 men in the Air Force, 70 women, 420 men in the Army, 80 women, 170 men in the Marines, 10 women, 320 in the Navy, and 60 women. So one way to solve this would be to go through and add up all the numbers except the female Marines. Or we could use what we've learned about subtracting from 1 and find 1 minus the probability of being a female Marine. And I think that would be more efficient. So that's 1 minus the probability of being a female Marine. There are 10 female Marines out of 1,430. Remember, that's in thousands, so 1,430,000 or 1,430,000 female Marines, or Marines total. So that gives us 1,420 divided by 1,430, or the probability that the person selected is not a female Marine is 0.993. So one reason it's so helpful to subtract from 1 is we can subtract one category from 1 rather than having to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values together. So remember, the sum of all probabilities is 1. To find the probability of an event not occurring, subtract the probability of that event occurring from 1.